Okay, guys, we are preparing for a trip, for a winter trip. I will build my own tent, winter camping tent, so I can use my stove inside the tent. As you already know, maybe I have a TV tent, but it's a little too small and it's not a winter tent. This is not a winter tent. It maybe be a good winter tent, I don't know. You can see here there is 1 meter more out here. So the tent will go out here. So there will be space here to my equipment. Okay, crazy boys, we are getting out on a little ice fishing trips. I don't know. Can I fish on the ice? I don't know. We will find out later. Because the weather has to be cool. But now, the last week, it has not been freezing. It's freezing now and the next week, so maybe in the end of the trip I can ice fish, I don't know. But I will make some crazy thing on that trip here. So follow on, and I have some issue, you know. The last video series is corrupt because I lost the content. I have cleaned my PC, you know, all that stuff, maybe you know that, and my computer crashed. I have to build the system again, and yes, I find out I lost some files. Yes, so I haven't started a new series yet. So the next series will be fresh. So when I come home, I will produce that content here, and I will in the future try to be more fresh, you know, get out, produce, and you can see it. But I always want to do trips where I can in the future have some content I can produce, so I don't get caught on why not have some content ready for you if I take a break.